Môre. Ons is nou klaar geslaap in Kornhaven. Hierdie is Bissieslaagte. Ons is nou op pad na Calvinia toe. Ek weet nie wat is Bissieslaagte, of dit 'n plaas of iets is nie. Maar ja, hier's 'n bordjie wat sê Bissieslaagte. Verder is dit net die treinspoor. Nie 'n huisie of ietsie in sig nie. Ons sal maar sien wat lewer Calvinia op.
Ain't it interesting how the smallest things stack up like the northern Cascade Mountains in the sky? And all that suffering residing in my mind, it almost killed me the way it left me. 7 months of man I hated, cheated on, broken, betrayed, and all those anxious nights been wasted, beating on the face I'm blaming. But I survived and now I look back at where I've been, and I know that I'm changing. I think I'll make it. Signs of life showing again, and I know I'll keep changing. 'Cause I've seen trees grow after fire, crying rivers make a bluff. You can't love without the loss, and that's the cost of growing up.
Vanuit winderige Calvinia vanoggend. Ons is nou op pad na die Weskus. Bietjie winderig hierso. Chill in die luggie. En dit bly nog steeds mooi. Lekker verfrissend. Gesels weer. En die van julle wat like van golf speel, hierso is Calvinia se 15de puitjie. Dit is 'n mooi pragtige green. Die fairway lyk ook nie te shabby nie. En die res van die golfbaan is toer in daai rigting. Lekker golf by Calvinia. Môre en hierso is ons nou 'n bietjie in 'n padwerke. Hulle is eintlik besig om hierdie pad baie mooi te maak. Alles is mooi georden. Dit is 'n rystop, maar partykeer vat hy te lank. Dit kan tot so 10 minute partykeer vat. Ons was 3 keer lucky en die 4th time unlucky.
Ain't it interesting that diamonds come from coal and still get sharper the more time spent in the flame? And there's consistency between heartbreak and ashes, scraped knees and taxes, one step back for every 2 you gain. And I know that I'm changing. I think I'll make it. Signs of life showing again, and I know I'll keep changing. 'Cause I've seen trees grow after fire, crying rivers.
Goeiemiddag, ons is nou hierso in Varreinspas. Ons kyk nou so oor van bo af die pas af onder toe. Ons is nogal wakker. Baie.
broken, betrayed, and all those anxious nights been wasted, beating on the face I'm blaming. But I survived.